In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give client access in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or sub-account where you want to add the client. This is important because user access is tied to the specific location you're working in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar, since that's where you'll find the settings needed for user management. From the left side panel, click on Settings. This will open the area where you can control account details, team members, and permissions. After that, stay on the left-hand side again and click on My Staff. This section is where you manage everyone who has access to the account. Now click Add User. This opens the form you'll use to create the client's login. Start by entering the client's first name, then add their last name. After that, type in their email address carefully, since this is typically where they'll receive access-related communication. Next, enter their phone number if needed for the profile. You'll also see an option to select a calendar. Choose the appropriate calendar if this client needs access to scheduling features. This helps connect them to the right booking setup inside the account. Then add a signature. This is usually useful if the user will be sending emails or working in areas where a saved signature may appear. Make sure the information you enter here matches how you want their communication to be presented. Once all of those details are filled in, click. Next, to move to the roles and permissions section. This part is especially important because it determines what the client can actually see and do inside Gohighlevel. For most client access situations, you'll want to set their role to user. That gives them standard access without exposing higher level controls they may not need. Use admin only if the person truly needs broader permissions, such as managing billing or agency level settings. In most cases, that would not be necessary for a regular client. So to keep access clean and secure, select User. After that, click on User to confirm the role selection. At this point, the client profile and access level are set up based on the information you entered. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the details for accuracy, especially the email address and role, so the right person gets the right level of access. And that's how to give client access in Gohighlevel.